So now let's dive into Chorus. So as you can see, it's on my home screen. If it wasn't, again, I'd hit the waffle, go to Chorus, and select it. As you can see from earlier, my 8 is still there. One of the cool things about Chorus is it allows you to keep as many pages as you would like. One way to do that is by using this side and hitting the plus button. This will add new sheets. So for example, if you wanted to do a math problem one day, and then the next day you wanted to review that problem, all you'd have to do is flip back using the arrow, and it brings you back to what you previously did. A lot of times what we do is we introduce a lesson, and then we talk about how to use it. One of the ways you can do this is by flipping through the sheets. As you can see, there's multiple pages. I've now copied this page by hitting this to say I want to redo it. So I don't lose the original copy. I have a second one. So now I have 3 sheets. And again, this is my original. So it really helps you kind of develop what you want to build on with your work. And again, if you want to get rid of it, just hit the trash can. And then you can say, yes, I want to delete it, or no, I want to keep it. Since I have it copied already, I'm gonna keep the original and delete the extra. From there, we have this panel underneath. This is what we're going to look at next. A lot of it has different components. Of course, you have the pencil. When you come up, there is a pencil, a paintbrush, a shape drawer, a line, and a highlighter. You can change the width, just like you can with the other pen. So I can make it bigger or smaller, depending on what I want to write. I can change the colors, and I can keep going. There's multiple colors that are available for you. With the paintbrush, it's just what it says. It just has that technique. So if you're an art teacher or specials and you want to draw something, it actually has that ability. With the shape drawer, it's actually pretty cool. So if I draw a triangle that looks similar, it will draw the shape that I'm trying to draw. So if I'm trying to draw a square, it will draw a square. And it will make it perfect. That's the key. It will also do it in the color that I selected. This is a laser pointer. It will circle and it will fade as I'm working on it. Again, it will go away. One of the cool things is your hand is an eraser. Typically you have to use your palm. Don't use your fingers. Try to use the top of your palm. And it'll allow you to erase your board. It won't erase the shapes. For that, you will need the eraser to clear your board. And it will start fresh. So again, you have your eraser, you have your pen. Now, one of the cool things is, say for example, I draw my square. Right now, I can't move it. It's stuck. The cool thing is I can move it. By hitting the multiple arrows, I can click on this. Now I can move it. I can turn it. I can change its size. So I can flip which way it is, and I can duplicate it if I need to. Or, again, you hit the trash can and you delete it. So let's review.